If you're considering cabinet refacing in Kitchener-Waterloo, you're likely wondering about the costs involved. Cabinet refacing is an excellent way to give your kitchen or bathroom a fresh, updated look without the expense of a full remodel. For homeowners in the Kitchener-Waterloo area, understanding the cost of this project is crucial for budgeting and planning purposes. This topic matters locally because each region has its own pricing trends, influenced by local labor costs, material availability, and even design preferences. In this article, we'll dive into what you can expect to pay for cabinet refacing, breaking down the factors that affect the total cost. We'll also compare these costs to those of a full cabinet replacement, helping you decide which option offers the best value for your home. Whether you're looking to modernize your space or increase your home's resale value, we'll provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision. Stay tuned as we explore the ins and outs of cabinet refacing costs in Kitchener-Waterloo, ensuring your renovation journey is as smooth and cost-effective as possible. Understanding cabinet refacing costs in Kitchener-Waterloo. For homeowners in the Kitchener-Waterloo area looking to revitalize their kitchen without the hefty price tag of a complete renovation, cabinet refacing offers a cost-effective solution. Cabinet refacing involves replacing the doors, drawer fronts, and hardware while keeping the existing cabinet structure intact, giving your kitchen a fresh look without the expense and hassle of a full replacement. However, understanding the costs involved is crucial to making an informed decision. The cost of cabinet refacing in Kitchener-Waterloo can vary widely depending on several factors, including the size of your kitchen, the materials you choose, and the complexity of the job. On average, homeowners can expect to spend between $4,000 and $10,000 for a standard kitchen refacing project. This price range typically covers the cost of new cabinet doors, drawer fronts, hinges, handles, and labor. The type of materials you select will significantly impact the overall cost. For example, opting for high-end materials like solid wood or custom finishes will increase the price, whereas more budget-friendly options such as laminate or thermofoil can help keep costs down. In addition to material choices, the layout and age of your kitchen can also affect the refacing cost. Older kitchens with non-standard cabinet sizes may require custom solutions, which can add to the expense. Moreover, if your cabinets have structural issues, minor repairs might be necessary before refacing, potentially increasing the total cost. To ensure you get the best value for your investment, it's advisable to obtain multiple quotes from local contractors and compare their offerings carefully. This approach not only helps you find competitive pricing, but also gives you insights into different styles and materials available in the region. Choose your materials wisely. Opt for materials that fit your budget and style. While solid wood offers a premium look, laminate and thermofoil are more affordable and easier to maintain. Consult local professionals. Engage with local contractors who understand the specific requirements and trends in the Kitchener-Waterloo market. Their expertise can help you make informed decisions. Plan for the future. If you plan to sell your home soon, consider how your cabinet choices might affect your property's resale value. Neutral colors and classic styles tend to have wider appeal. Consider DIY options. If you're handy, some aspects of cabinet refacing, like changing handles or applying new finishes, can be done yourself to save money.